Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So that's the web application, the demo of which I'm going to show you today, how this application works and what all things I have used for creating this application. This is what we are going to discuss today in this meeting. And besides that, link of this project, you can find it in the description section of this video. Right now, it's the React application. That's the whole React code I have used here for creating this web application. Then I have used this API key for linking my web application to this external website named allen.app. Right now, what is that code which with which I'm going to control the shopping cart of my web application? Let me just show that to you. So I need to come on sign in, and it will redirect me to my dashboard where I will get to see all the applications I have created till date on this platform. So if you remember, I have posted newsreader application also some days back, and that's the one which I am going to use today. So this is the whole code, right? This is the whole code, and don't worry, I'm going to paste it as a I'm going to put it as a notepad file here in this Google Drive, the link of which is there in the description section, so that you can get this code also. Now, how this application works, let me just show that to you. So I need to refresh it. So that's what you're going to come across first on your browser when you will run this application. Now, to get the menu items, I need to give it a command. Show me the menu items.
Here's the menu.
What is the price of Angus burger?
The Angus burger is $8.99.
Add Angus burger to the cart.
Adding Angus burger to the cart.
Add bacon burger to the cart.
Adding bacon burger to the cart.
Arrange the menu items as per the category.
Say again, please.
Okay, I need to check this command. It is order by. Okay, coming back.
Hi there.
Let me stop it once, and now I'm going to run it again. Order by item name.
Here are the items ordered by name.
Order by category.
Here are the items ordered by category.
Order by price.
Here are the items ordered by price.
So that is how I'm able to that is how this application works, and I'm able to control this web application with my natural language. So basically, it's an AI powered shopping cart, and you need to first create a React application. Right after that, you can delete all the files present in this source folder. The only two things which you require, one is this app.js file, and the second one is this index.js. Now you can copy and paste all the code from this file app.js, and you can paste it over here in your application.js JavaScript file, right? And that is it. And after that, you can run this project using simple uh, command and no npm start. Right, you have to fire this command in the command prompt, and once your server is on, you can access your web application on localhost, or on this IP address also. If you want, you can access your project. So that's what I wanted to show you. In case you have any queries, any doubts, you can put it in the chat box. You want to learn these types of coding, do avail the coding classes. My number is right below. Right, ask your parents to just contact me on my number, and I will teach you these beautiful codes. Definitely, you will take away many things from my coding classes, and it's the, you can say, a real coding, industrial level coding if you want to learn, so that you can also get selected in multinational companies like Facebook, Google. So come, avail my coding classes, be a part of my coding classes, and just create new things. And maybe possible that tomorrow you might crack GSOC and you get a chance to work in Google. Okay, so this is it from my side. Thank you very much, and hope you guys like this lecture. Please do not forget to share this video in your groups and make it reach to the maximum students possible. Thank you so very much for all your support. Bye bye and take care, all of you. Have a great day.